Would you like to come to my place for a
Principles of
coffee before I drop you home?
applications of pH metry. Introduction of pH metry. pH metry is a technique used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. It is based on the principle of measuring the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral, 7 acidic, and above 7 alkaline. Principles of pH measurement. pH is calculated using the formula pH is equals to minus log H plus, where H plus represents the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. A lower pH value indicates a higher concentration of hydrogen ions and thus a more acidic solution. Conversely, a higher pH value indicates a lower concentration of hydrogen ions and a more alkaline solution. pH meter components. A typical pH meter consists of a glass electrode, a reference electrode, a pH meter, and a temperature sensor. A glass electrode measures the hydrogen ion concentration, while the reference electrode provides a stable reference potential. The temperature sensor compensates for temperature variations that can affect pH readings. Calibration of pH meter. pH meters need to be calibrated regularly using standard buffer solutions with known pH values. Calibration ensures the accuracy and reliability of pH measurements. Typically, two or more buffer solutions are used to calibrate the meter across a range of pH values. Application of pH metry in agriculture. pH metry is used in soil testing to determine the acidity or alkalinity of soil. Soil pH affects nutrient availability to plants and overall soil health. pH metry helps in recommending appropriate soil amendments to optimize plant growth. Applications of pH metry in environmental monitoring. pH metry is essential in monitoring the pH of water bodies like lakes, rivers, and oceans. Changes in water pH can impact aquatic life and ecosystem health. Regular pH monitoring. Screen recording. pH monitoring helps in identifying and addressing potential environmental issues. Applications of pH metry in food and beverage industry. pH metry is used in the food and beverage industry to monitor the acidity of products. pH values influence taste, texture, and shelf life of food and beverages. Quality control measures often include pH testing to ensure product consistency. Applications of pH metry in pharmaceutical industry. pH metry plays a crucial role in drug formulation and development. pH affects the solubility and stability of pharmaceutical compounds. pH testing is used to ensure the efficacy and safety of pharmaceutical products. Importance of pH metry in water treatment. pH metry is a critical parameter in water treatment processes. pH levels impact the effectiveness of disinfection and coagulation processes. Monitoring and adjusting water pH ensures safe and potable drinking water. Conclusion. pH metry is a versatile technique with applications in various fields including agriculture, environmental monitoring, food and beverage industry, pharmaceuticals, and water treatment. Accurate pH measurements are essential for quality control, process optimization, and environmental protection. Understanding the principles and applications of pH metry is fundamental for ensuring the health and safety of our surroundings and products.